Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today I'm back with another beautiful and reliable Japanese hybrid SUV that is very popular in Pakistan, and that is the Honda Vezel X Package Hybrid. If you are looking for a stylish car with excellent fuel average, smooth drive, and Honda reliability, then this vehicle can be a perfect option for you. This Honda Vezel is a 2016 import with 2021 assembly, which makes it a fresh and well-maintained unit. The car has been driven with great care, and its condition clearly reflects that. One of the most important highlights of this vehicle is that it is a hybrid, which means better fuel economy, quieter drive, and lower running cost compared to normal petrol vehicles. Let's start with the interior condition. The inside is completely genuine and pin-packed, giving you a premium and fresh feel. The seats are clean and comfortable, the dashboard is neat, and the steering feels solid and smooth in hand. There are no cracks, no damage, and no unusual wear inside the cabin. Everything looks original and well preserved, which is a big plus for any used car buyer. Now coming towards the exterior. The roof is fully genuine, while the rest of the body has been showered to enhance the appearance and maintain a fresh look. The paint looks clean and shiny, and the car still has a very sporty and modern design. Honda Vezel shape is timeless, and it still stands out on the road with its aggressive front and sleek profile. Let's talk about the most important part of a hybrid car, which is the engine and hybrid system. The engine is in perfect condition, running smoothly and silently. The hybrid battery is also in excellent health, giving proper backup and delivering impressive fuel average. There are no warning lights on the meter, which means the hybrid system is working exactly as it should. This car offers a very comfortable and stress-free driving experience, especially in city traffic. The gearbox is smooth and responsive, with no jerks or delays during shifting. The suspension is tight and comfortable, absorbing bumps easily and providing a stable ride on both city roads and highways. The ABS braking system is fully functional, giving you better control and safety during sudden braking. The air conditioner is ice cold, cooling the cabin quickly even in hot weather. This makes the car very comfortable for daily use and long drives. The tires are in good condition, offering strong road grip and confidence while driving. Overall handling of the car is excellent, and steering response is very smooth. Honda Vezel Hybrid is especially known for its excellent fuel average, low maintenance, and long-term reliability. Whether you are using it for daily office commute, family use, or long trips, this car performs well in every situation. It is also a very good option for people who want a luxury feel without high fuel expenses. This vehicle is available in Lahore, and the demand is 46 lakh. Considering the condition, hybrid system, genuine interior, and smooth drive, this demand is very reasonable in today's market. Serious buyers who are looking for a clean and genuine Honda Vezel X Package Hybrid should definitely visit and see the car personally. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like this Honda Vezel Hybrid, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more genuine car reviews and best deals. Your support motivates me to bring more quality content for you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.